my channel, The Baking Diva, and I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Mwah. So usually on my channel I tend to bake a lot of sweet desserts, but I have been known to bake some savory ones too. So today I think what I'm going to do is make a little combination of sweet and savory. Does that sound right, cameraman? Sweet and savory?
Sure.
I think so. And I've been wanting for a while now to get an Instant Pot. It's a big rage right now. Everybody has an Instant Pot. So I bought one a couple of months ago, and here it is next to me. And I've been experimenting a little bit with it. So today, what I want to make for you is a chicken recipe. Only 5 ingredients you need in this recipe. And from beginning to end, 15 minutes, and you're ready to eat. So this is the 5 ingredient, 15-minute orange chicken recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is start out with our chicken. Now what you're going to need is 4 boneless chicken breasts, and you're going to cut them into 1 and 2 inch pieces, just like I have here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this chicken into my Instant Pot. Just dump it all in there just like that. Okay, next, I put the chicken into my Instapot, and what I'm going to add to that is I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of your favorite dark, sweet barbecue sauce. Now, I happen to be using Sticky Fingers, but you can use any kind you like. So let me put my 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce right on top of the chicken. There we go. And next, I'm going to put on there 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That goes right on top of your chicken and your barbecue sauce. 2 tablespoons. Whoopsie. Come on, this is a new bottle. Come on out, come on out. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. All right, that's 1. You just sprinkle that right over, and here goes another one. Here we go. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lid on top of the Instapot. There we go. And I'm going to make sure, you see this little tab up here? Make sure it's right in the middle, right, cameraman?
Okay, it's right in the middle.
Because you want to have, this is the vent, and by putting it on the middle, you want to have it on seal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now select manually high pressure, and I'm going to set the cook time for 4 minutes. So let me do that over on this side. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put it on 4 minutes. Perfect. Alrighty. So now that is going to get going, and in 4 minutes, once it's completed, here it goes. You hear the little beeping. I'm going to do a quick pressure release, and I'll show you how we do that when I come back in 4 minutes. Okay, the 4 minutes are up. So now what you have to do is you have to do a quick release, and you have to turn this to venting. So all you do is move this, and you'll see on your Instapot there's arrows. You move it right over to here, and as you can see, it's venting. So We'll be back in a second as soon as the venting is complete. Alrighty, so when you don't see any or hear any steam coming out, you're ready to open up your pot. And you'll see on the front of your pot, it'll show you go to the left to close it, turn to the right to open it. Always make sure you have something on your hands to protect you. The pot won't open if all the steam is not released. So I grab it here, and we're gonna turn it this way. You'll hear a little jingle bell. I'm gonna, whoa, look at my glasses, steam right up. I can't see you, cameraman. Ah! All right, so we're not gonna have to put the lid back on for this recipe. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in the pot, and I'm gonna take 1/4 of a cup of the juice that's in there, and I'm gonna put it in a little bowl. I think I need just a drop more. There we go. And to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So I added that to it, and you're just gonna stir it until it's all mixed together. Now once I have this juice and the cornstarch mixed together, I'm gonna return it to the pot. Let me just mix it a little bit more. Okay, looks good. All right, so I'm gonna pour that back into the pot. I'm gonna take my spoon, give it a little stir. It's amazing how fast everything cooks in the Instapot. Oh, it's unbelievable. Alrighty, now to this, I have to add my orange marmalade. So I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of orange marmalade to this. So you see where we're going with this. The sweet and sour, the barbecue sauce, and the marmalade. So I'm gonna mix it all together in the pot, get it combined in there. And then I'm gonna put this on 6 minutes saute. Alrighty, smells good. Okay, so let me just go to the front of the Instapot, turn it off, hit saute, put it on 6 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back in 6 minutes to show you what we do next. Sorry for laughing, but the cameraman is yelling at me. Can you believe that?
I can.
He's yelling at me because I'm not standing in the right place. But anyway, the chicken dish is finished. I sauteed it in the Instant Pot for 6 minutes, and then I let it stay in there a little bit longer because you want to wait until the juice thickens a little bit. Now, the right way to serve this is over rice. So if you look down below, cameraman,
okay,
I
hold on.
plated some rice in the dish.
Hold on. Oh, wow.
And I'm going to scoop some of this delicious chicken. And this chicken just is falling apart in here. And I'm going to just put it right over. Wow, look at that. Got to get some of the juice on there. Cameraman, you think all this filming is going to be worth it?
If you
to
add,
have this nice dinner?
the only thing you have to add is Dr. Jameson.
Do you want some more juice on yours?
Is that mine?
Yes. I'll give you a little bit more.
That's plenty, girl.
It looks good. All right, everyone. So, the cameraman's coming back on me, the Cray Cray Diva. So, if you like this recipe today and you liked what you saw, subscribe down below to my channel. Hit that red subscribe until it turns gray and you'll be a subscriber. But don't forget to ring the little bell next to it, because that's how YouTube notifies you when I have a new video up. And what else? Oh, thumbs up, and comment. I love my comments. I try to respond to as many of them as I can. So, before I say goodbye, I'm taking this fork and I'm trying a piece of the cameraman's chicken. Sweet and savory. You don't need a knife. Hot. It falls right apart. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you very soon. Toodles!